Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to sign up to be a product reviewer for Sephora. If you want to become a product reviewer for Sephora, here's what you need to know. The simplest way is through a free Beauty Insider account. Once sign up, you can leave reviews for products you've purchased directly on Sephora's website or app. While this doesn't come with payments or freebies, it lets you contribute to the community. Occasionally, members are invited to the Beauty Insider Insights panel, where surveys and sweepstakes can offer gift cards, though opportunities aren't guaranteed. For bigger perks, there is the Sephora Squad, an influencer program that provides paid partnerships, early product access, and exclusive campaigns. Applications typically open mid-year and are geared toward creators with an active audience. You can also explore third-party programs like Influencer that sends products in exchange for honest reviews. Just remember, Sephora doesn't have an official paid reviewer program, so be cautious of scams promising rewards for reviews. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.